Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pistachio tiramisu. First, prepare your espresso and let it cool completely. While it cools, gather all your other ingredients, including ladyfingers, mascarpone, and pistachio paste. Once the espresso is cool, quickly dip each ladyfinger, one by one, ensuring they are just moistened, not soggy. Arrange these soaked ladyfingers in a single, even layer at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, let's create that luscious pistachio cream. In a bowl, whisk egg yolks with a specific amount of sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Then, carefully fold in the mascarpone cheese and your high-quality pistachio paste. Mix until everything is beautifully combined and the cream has a uniform, vibrant green hue. This step is crucial for the tiramisu's signature flavor. Now it's time to assemble your tiramisu masterpiece. Spread half of your rich pistachio cream evenly over the first layer of espresso-soaked ladyfingers. Then, create a second layer of dipped ladyfingers directly on top of the cream. Finally, generously spread the remaining pistachio cream over this second layer, ensuring it's smooth and covers all the ladyfingers. This creates the classic layered look. The final, and perhaps most important, step is chilling. Cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, though overnight is ideal for the flavors to meld and the dessert to set properly. Just before serving, you can dust it with a light layer of cocoa powder or sprinkle with finely chopped pistachios for an extra touch of elegance and flavor. Enjoy your homemade pistachio tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.